my name is John Fredrik Arnesen and I am a technical specialist for BIESTERFELD here in Norway. We are ROBOZE's partner in the Nordic area. I'm here today at the Skarv FPSO operated by AKER BP. We are here because the maintenance supervisor reached out to us some months ago and wanted to learn more about additive manufacturing and how ROBOZE can help them achieve a level of production capability here isolated in the North Sea.
We have a lot of different types of metal here, and we have issues with corrosion due to different galvanic features on the metals. And if we can use plastic parts or high super polymer, then we'll have way less corrosion. We can also use it between metal parts, and we have way too much equipment now that rust due to this. And there's a lot of hard weather, not today, but we have a salty wind, and it's a harsh weather condition for which makes a lot of corrosions.
We had discussions together with ROBOZE to see what was the best solution to get a machine capable of producing parts with superpolymers like PEEK, PEC, carbon PA, so it gives a lot of flexibility and a lot of solutions for the maintenance guys here at the FPSO.
We have some equipment that has a very long delivery time. Others we have a lot of stock, but all these parts we need to have a storage space for, and we don't have room for everything out there. And if we can have like a digital warehouse for normally used parts, maybe custom made for better montage, and also printing a part may take some hours, but it's better than waiting between 2 weeks and 6 months for the part.
Here on the Skarv FPSO, we are about 200 kilometers away from the nearest supplier. Lead times is a challenge for Aker BP in this environment. Having 3D printer allows us to make parts on demand and have flexibility to make parts when we need them. We can make parts from very advanced materials like PEEK and carbon fiber reinforced PEEK. These are materials that have high corrosion resistance, high temperature resistance, and is already used a lot in the offshore industry today. An advantage with the additive manufacturing technology is that it's also a sustainable solution. You are not wasting more material than what you actually need.
We have a lot of valve handles in plastic. Sometimes they may need a different design, need to be bigger, smaller, or they break, and then it's nice to be able to print. We have an issue sometimes with this holder or the connection part for the bolt. They fall out, they break. So this is small parts we can print very easy, and yeah, use instead of changing the entire thing.
One concept we are very passionate about is digital warehousing. The idea that you need to have a lot of storage space to keep a lot of parts in stock, this is getting old-fashioned. The idea of a digital warehouse is something we really believe in. We believe this is the future. Why waste space with having a huge stock of material when you can keep the files digital and you can print them on demand? This will save space, it will save money, it's more sustainable, and it makes the logistics a lot easier. With the additive manufacturing, this can be achieved. And we believe that here at the Skarv FPSO, they are one of the first players in this market to really take a huge step in this direction.